Hi guys, this is the Java series Part 13. Now let's discuss the separators. This is also one of the tokens. Okay, these are symbols that are used to separate different parts of a program like commas, semicolons, parentheses, braces and brackets. Separators are characters only used to separate or group parts of a Java program. Okay, separators are not operators and don't perform any operations on data values. Okay, we will see one by one. Semicolon. So this semicolon is used to separate statements in Java. Every statement in Java must end with a semicolon. Okay. Then commas. Comma is used to separate multiple arguments or parameters in method calls or method definitions or to separate multiple variable declarations. Okay. And the third one, parentheses. So parentheses is used to group expressions, define method parameters and control the order of evaluation. Okay. The fourth one, braces, curly braces, used to define a block of code like a method body or a class definition. And brackets, square brackets, used to define arrays or to access individual elements of an array. And periods, used to access class members or invoke methods or objects. Finally, colon. Colon is used in switch statements and for each loops to separate case values or to define iteration variables. Okay, separators play an important role in structuring and organizing Java code. Okay, now we will see the example. In this example, here we have the square brackets. Okay, square brackets are used to declare an array. Arguments is the array variable. So, these square brackets are used to declare an array. Here we have again the curly brace. So, the curly braces are used to enclose the body of the main method. Braces generally used to define a code block. Okay, and here we have used the comma separator. So, commas are used to separate consecutive identifiers. So, here we have two identifiers, variable names. Variable names is nothing but the identifiers, J and K. Okay. So, this comma is used to separate the consecutive identifiers in a variable declaration. Okay. So, this is the period. Okay. Here we have the period. So, this period is used to distinguish the package names from subpackages. So, this is the main package. Okay, so this main package and this subpackage is separated by this period. Okay, and parentheses are used to enclose the argument passed to the println method. Here also we have the parentheses. Okay, so this parentheses are used to enclose the arguments passed to the println method. Okay, so each statement ends with the semicolon. So these all belongs to the separator. Okay, so what are the separators we have used in this particular program? Curly braces, this is one separator, and square brackets, parentheses, and comma separator, semicolon, and period. Okay, I hope you all understand what are separators and what are the types of separators and the usage of separators. We have completed this session. If you have any doubts, drop the message on the comment section. Have a nice day. Thank you.